Okay. We are young, heartache to heartache we stand. No promises, no demand. Love is a battlefield. Love is a battlefield. Tonight we are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. Tonight, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not be here tomorrow. The sun will come out tomorrow, so we gotta hang on till tomorrow. Coming sun, just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. Oh, yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now we need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe yesterday, last Friday night, well, we danced on tabletops and we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Last Friday night, well, we maxed our credit cards and got kicked out of the bar, so we hit the boulevard. It's Friday, Friday. No. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y night. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y night. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y night. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Oh, Saturday, 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 Saturday. I don't know what else. Saturday night. It's alright for fighting. Is it really? Yeah. Oh. Tuesday, Wednesday, break my heart. Thursday, I don't care about you, 'cause it's Friday night in love. It's Friday, Friday, but on Friday, everybody's looking forward to the weekend. So what about front seat, back seat? Which ones should I take? I'm waiting for the bus outside. So by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, walking home, passing out, throwing up, I'll carry you home tonight. We forgot the Love is a Battlefield thing in the end. Oh, we're still rolling.
Oh, there you go.
So 1, 2, 3, we are young.
Tonight.